Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming why Excel says compatibility mode. Usually the file is an older XLS or earlier format. Once done, enable editing if needed, then go straight to File, choose Info so you can see the Convert option. If Convert is present, click it to update internal structure. If not, use Save As and pick XLSX. Do this now, don't fiddle with options, because conversion changes the file format to modern Excel and removes the compatibility mode banner. Once you click Convert, Excel runs checks and upgrades workbook structures. This preserves most content while removing legacy wrappers. Make sure to accept any prompts. Excel may warn about feature changes. If Convert is not available, you Save As and choose Excel Workbook. XLSX, this explicitly writes a modern file. After saving, close the old document so you don't reopen the legacy copy. Make sure to reopen the new XLSX to confirm that compatibility mode is gone and features behave as expected. To finish, reopen your newly saved XLSX and confirm the compatibility mode label is gone. This proves the conversion succeeded. If something looks different, check the Trust Center to enable macros or external content. Some older features may be disabled until you allow them. If conversion fails or the Convert button is grayed out, save a copy under a new name, remove external links or legacy objects, then retry Save As. One key tip: close and reopen Excel between attempts to clear cached compatibility locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.